The financials, budgeting expenses. Have I mentioned to you how much I hate paying taxes? I also don't want you to pay any more than you have to either. So let's talk about how you can better spend your money. Reinvest in your property instead. Around Q3, talk to your CPA about what your tax bill looks like and see if your packed calendar from the summer means dropping a big check to the IRS in April. If so, let's add something to your home that will bring you more bookings and more money in rent. I like adding an amenity every 1 to 2 years to keep interest in my property and to make my neighboring short-term rentals know that they have to step up their game if they want to compete with a VRBO outstanding host. We talked about CANI, constant and never-ending improvement. Let's practice it. Here's a list of some of the items that I didn't start out with, but I added later on. A hot tub, a PWC or jet ski dock, kayaks, paddleboards, arcade games, ping pong table, pool table, golf cart, bikes, cornhole, outdoor refrigerators. Salt life is refreshing, and it's also toxic to paint and metal. Invest some of your profits into a good pressure washer, as you'll need to use it a few times a year. Wood gets beat up even more in salt air, and with the abuse of guests, you'll see that some of your steps may need more repair, as well as your deck boards. Neglect is VRB ordinary. Don't become that. Remember, avoid complacencies. Guests can tell when you've become an absentee owner. Whenever possible, avoid wood for railings and decks and opt for plastic or Trex type materials that you don't have to paint or that wear as easily. Paint doesn't last near the ocean, and you'll be painting frequently. I prefer doing a different area each and every year rather than doing everything at once. This also spreads the cost out. It also makes it easier to block a week to do than a month. I've had more and more November and December bookings since COVID started, so my only downtime is January and parts of February, as Valentine's Day weekend is often booked. That's not a big window for repairs, especially if you need the weather to cooperate with painting outside. Metal light fixtures will quickly deteriorate. Opt for plastic. Brass lasts, but it's also pricier. By using plastic instead of wood, all you need to do to make it look good is pressure wash it. A fresh look is always VRB outstanding. I've learned that Chase lounges will only last about 3 years. Most are metal, and between the hot sun and the salt air, they will start failing. People will sit on your sofas with wet bathing suits, so expect to replace them every 4 to 5 years. Consider buying used items in good shape to save money. I made the mistake of buying everything brand new, only to see it replaced in under 5 years, and that made me sick. I look year-round for outdoor furniture and refrigerators for poolside, as well as some other items. People simply don't treat things as you would. Shop for deals year-round to save money rather than pay a premium when you need them. More on that later.